Yes, welcome back on this channel. So today I welcome you back. It has been a long time without recording. So today I have decided to record for you this video using my own voice. So I had to show you how to find the working SNI. So today we are going to learn how to find a working SNI. So someone commented that I should use my own voice while I'm recording, that AI is somehow disturbing. So today we are going to learn how to find a working host. As we begin, kindly subscribe on this channel for more useful content. So visit this site. It is called cybertech.host. So after you reaching on this site here, kindly you search for it and then you follow the on-screen instructions. So from here you need to select your country. Then you need to click on generate and the results will be seen below. So that's how we find the working SNI using this site. So you are going to copy one of the available SNI for your country and then you test if it is working or not by visiting this site again. It is called hostshaker.net, as you can see there. So you search for it. After generating your working SNI, then you come on this state. From this box right up here, you need to check if this host is online or it is offline. So you paste it there or you write it there like that. Then you click on check host. So the page or this state will help you to check if this host is online or it is offline. So you wait as the page processes your request, and as you can see the results that the host is down. So it means that this host is no longer working, it is down. So you need to go back on the site, pick another host, and then you shake it. So let's say this is your host, then you click on shake, and as long as you see that the host is up, it means that this host is online. And let me hope you learned something in today's video. So that's it. That's how we get and check a working host if it is working. And make sure to subscribe, comment, like, subscribe on this channel for more useful content. Let's meet in the comment section. Remember to like, subscribe on our Telegram channels and WhatsApp channels. Links are in the description.